Okay, so हमारी journey start हुई in the morning and this is one day picnic ideas from where we have started right from the highway of Bharuch District. From the highway, we have taken a short break at Novus restaurant where we'll get some of the playground for kids plus one selfie spot of with the banner I love Bharuch. So there are few points in and around Novus restaurant. Then we had a drive-through from McDonald's, and after the drive-through we went directly to the village called Chano. From that village we have decided to track the beauty of the nature along the countryside. It was a short picnic with a small luggage, and then on the way we have also seen beautiful serene greenery plus the brick furnace visit was also there along the way. We also visited Rose Garden, and then in the Rose Garden we spent quality time along with the roses, and then some mandatory yoga shoots. We did these on the bank of the river Narmada. Again, we got to see very silent and peaceful atmosphere there, and we got a small hillock where we went for hiking. We spent we were ready with the picnic ideas, so we got a good place, and yes, we did picnic there. For some time we got to see the flying birds along the sides, the beautiful view of the river flowing. The whole environment was so silent and smooth, and the picnic ideas were a must. Those going to get some real cotton out of the cotton plant. See how he is taking off this cotton. Very nice. Can you want to collect? Do you want to collect more? Yeah, but it's dirty. Leave it. Actually, we get cotton after some processing, isn't it? It's a cotton plant.